What's up, guys? I am sailing today with a bunch of IOMers over there, and just gonna mess around a little bit with my winged 65. So I'm gonna launch it, and we'll see how it goes. The thing is actually quite heavy, so I was gonna put a jib on it and stuff, and I thought maybe it might be a little bit too overpowered anyways, so I got it kind of raked forward a little bit to see how she goes. Cheers. It works. Thank you. Thank you. It's slow, but it works. It's something to do with the, you see the camber is off, eh? Mm-hmm. So my conclusion is to basically make the wing a bit lighter or increase the bulb weight, and just basically fix that camber.